Sanso Kiambote, thank you very much. If you're watching us, we thank you. We're going to learn Kikongo language. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. It is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much. Okay, today we're going back to the basics. We're going back to numbers again. Yes. Then we're going to the main. After this, we'll go to the main lesson. Let me try to test someone. Nengwatariwa. Can you hear me? Okay. Let's see. Can you hear me, Nengwatariwa? Your mic is off. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Remember the number 1 to 5. Can you try 1 to 5, please? Kikongo. Pavala. Mm.
Ingeta. Pavala.
Mm. Mosi. Mm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead. Zole. Mm.
Zole,
Mm.
tatu.
Tatu. Ya.
Zole, tatu. Ya.
Mm. Tano. Tano.
Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, and Kum.
Okay. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tano, Sambano, Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, Kumi. Tutondele. Tata David, please.
Pavela, Mosi, Tata.
Mosi Zole. Mm.
Mosi, Zole.
Tatu.
Tatu. Nana.
Ya. Tanu.
Tanu is
5. Then Sambanu.
Sambanu. Sambwadia.
Yes. Nana.
Nana.
Voix.
Voix.
Kumi.
Kumi.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I promise I will memorize these.
Thank you very much. Ma, you are brave. Well done. Let me see. Someone has commented. Oh, Nengwa. Some girl. Okay.
Nengwa Louise.
Thank you very much. Okay. Let me try to share again the same file. Where is it? This one. Yes. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia. Some people said Sambwadi in language. These things happen. Nana, Voix, Kumi. Okay, let's go. Let us move to the next one. Anyone brave enough to try to? I mean, tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Tata David. 10 Kumi. Yes.
Yes. And then, yeah, I don't remember how to make them go up by tens.
Yeah, don't worry. Let me try to move to slide. Yes. Okay, we have Kumi. Then we have Maku as let's call it prefix to all of them, up to 60. We have Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Makumasamban. You have all your units here. You see, you got 2 is there, Zole. I mean, in this case, Mole. Zole is there. Tatu. Ya is there. Tanu is there. Samban is there.
Sambanu.
So from tens, between units and tens, or the other way around, we have ye. If I want to say kumi, if I want to say 12, kumi ye zole. 2. Yes. I hope Sister Rachel is following. Okay. Can we try from kumi to 60? From 10 to Tadiwa, please. Kumi. Nengwa Tadiwa, are you there? Can you hear me?
Kumi.
Makumole.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Makumole.
Kumi. Makumole. Makumole. Makuma tatu. Makumaya.
Makumaya.
Makumamba.
Makumatanu. Makumasambana. So your units are very important. You just need to remember. You need to memorize. Tata David, please.
Just the list on the screen. Yeah. Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makuwatanu, Makuwasambana.
Oh, well done. You are brave, you know. We are live people watching. Well done. Okay. We have a year. My screen not okay, you can see it's appearing. Okay. You have a year 22.
Makumole Yezole.
Well done. Wow. 44. Nengwa Tadiwa. Makumaya.
Yeah.
Well done. 55. Tata David.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makumatanu Ye Tanu.
Well done. 66.
Makumasambanu Ye Sambanu.
Well done. So from I don't want to go back to this. This is the basic. I mean, this is what you need to know. Just keep repeating itself. Okay, remember from 20, we could say from 10 to 60, we have a prefix maku. From 70, all change. We have a different prefix. Yeah, LU. Tata David, be careful. Nothing to do with second plural. Yes. LU.
Lusambwadia.
Lusambwadia.
Lunana.
Luzwa. Then Kama. Kama. 100 is Kama. Kama. So, Tata David. 77.
Lusambwida.
Lusambwadia.
Yes, Yen Sambwadia.
Well done. Lunana. Nengwa Tadiwa. I'm sorry. 88. Sorry, it's me. Sorry. 88.
Lunana.
Lunana. Please remember this. Lunana.
Yenana.
Well done. Tata Davidi. 99.
Wow.
Well done. Okay. We're back to Africa. Okay, well done. Thank you very much. We're going back to our main lesson. Let me just remove this. Wow, I'm very impressed. That's good. All these files are on our website. Okay, I'm trying to share my. Give 1 minute. Okay, my lesson today is lesson 4, section 2. Just go share. Yes, thank you very much. Sorry, Tata David. Sorry to bother you again. Maybe someone is watching for the first time. Please, I'm reading.
Congo Congo language course, Balongi Kikongo Kizombo, by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Mekondekwa. Joan Hazel Carter, 2202, 1928 to 308, 2016. Received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo language, at the African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutto deletate. Please carry on.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratories.
Courses. Thank you. These are Professor Hazel Carter words. Very important.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Thank you. And the last one. Thank you.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
Yes. Thank you, Tata David. Yes. Patton zolele voa ve kizolele ko modo. Okay. Zolele voa longoka. Tata David, please.
Okay. Zolevo walongoka. I want you to learn. Ve kizolele longoka ko. No, I don't want you to learn. I don't want to learn.
Okay, let us move to the next one. Nengo tadiwa.
Nzolelevo walanda. I want you to follow. V. Kizolele landa. Landako.
Well done.
No, I don't want to follow.
Sorry. Tata Davidi.
Zolele vo walwaka. I want you to get there. Ve kizolele luwaka ko. No,
here
I
in
don't
this case,
want to
it
get
is
there.
Sorry, Tata David. It is apply. It does apply the accent. Zevo alwaka.
Zolele vo walwaka. Okay, I want you to get there. Ve kizolele luwaka ko.
Thank you very much. Nengwa tadiwa nzolevo wakota.
Nzolele wakota. Ve kizolele kota.
Kizolele kota ko. Tata David, this applies well. Finama.
Okay. Zolele vo wafinama. Zolele vo wafinama. I want you to get near. Ve kizolele finama ko.
Kizolele finama ko. Always remember K or K. I mean K and E, K and I. They go together with ko, negative, like in French. Je ne veux pas. As soon as you say je ne, you expect pas at the end.
Again.
Nengwa tadiwa.
Nzolevo wavunda.
Nzolevo
I want you to
ngavunda.
rest. V. Kizolele vundako.
Nzolevundako. Tata Davidi. David in Kikongo.
Okay. Zolele vo wayambula. I want you to stop. Ve kizolele yambula ko.
Kizole yambulako.
No, I don't want to stop. Okay.
Nengo tadiwa nzolevo wa yindula. Imperative. Imperative.
Should I read this?
Oh, sorry. What's happening here? Go ahead, nzolevo wa yindula.
Nzolevo wayindula. I want yindula ko.
Kizole yindulako. Can you do it again, please?
Nzolevo wayindula. Yes. Nzolele. I want you to say Kizolele yindula ko.
Well done. Oh, remember, Tata David, this is imperative. Whenever I see this.
With the accent on the last syllable?
Yes. You mean business, you know?
Sure. Zolele vo wayindula. Okay. Zolele vo waseba. I want you to laugh. Ve kizolele sebako. Or it should be sebako. Ve kizolele
sevako. Kizole sevako. It's correct. Kizole sevako. You're right. Sometimes patterns I mean, it's hard to establish a pattern, you know? Variation always happen. Variation always. Nengo tadiwa.
Wiza come. V. No, I don't want to come.
Nzolevo wiza. Remember, this is a long vowel. Can you try it again, please? Nzolevo wiza.
Nzolevo wiza. I want you to come. Is that better? V. Kizolele kuizako. No, I don't want to come.
Thank you. Nzolevo wenda.
Zolele vo wenda. I want you to go. Ve kizolele kwendako.
Kizole kwendak. Oh, thank you very much. We're done for today. Hopefully Sister Rachel is there. Nengwa Rachel. Yes, she is. Okay. In the background. Okay, never mind. Hopefully next time you're going to be live and we're going to see you in the studio. Okay. Tutondele. Wenda Kiambote. What do you say to me?
Sala Kiambote.
I was about to ask it. What do you say?
Sala Kiambote.
Tutondele. Wenda Kiambote. Tutondele Nengwa Rachel. Thank you very much. See you next Sunday.
Okay.
Bye.
Ira Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Sorry Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Bungo. Philippe Kamango. Lemba Basagila. Zotoru Kanu.